A few months ago, we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, the first Android device we ever tried on this channel. In this video, we're excited to bring you the first e-ink tablet we've ever tried. Ever. Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless X, a channel that is all about digital productivity. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Our whole team was super excited about this tablet, so everyone wanted to unbox them, especially the non-creative team. Onxy Boox sent us these two beautiful e-ink tablets, the Max Lumi 2 and the Note Air 2 Plus. They also gave us covers for them. Thank you. The Samsung tablet got me excited about Samsung Notes, but the Max Lumi 2 has me excited about taking notes in general. But let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet. This is an unboxing video and first impressions only. Of the two tablets, the Max Lumi 2 is the bigger one with a 13.3-inch screen. That is slightly bigger than the iPad Pro 12.9-inch. We loved the black matte packaging on these devices. It just looks good and it looks premium. These are not cheap tablets. The Max Lumi 2 costs $879.99. The Note Air 2 Plus costs $499.99. The packaging comes with some manuals and the stylus for the tablet. You also get a USB-C charging cable. You could use a head for that, but those are not very expensive, right? So we could forgive them for not having that in the package. The tablet feels good in the hand. It is a well-built device. For something this big, it doesn't feel heavy. It has a matte finish on both the front and back, but the back is more fingerprint resistant than the front. So you guys know our reviews are not technical. We're not looking at the technical specifications of these devices. If you're interested in that, we will link you to the website and you can read about that. For the Note Air 2 Plus, our team thought the writing on the tab was on the screen cover that came with the devices, so we took that off, only to realize the devices actually have a screensaver when they turn off. None of us understand how that works, but we're eager to find out. Both devices don't have a microphone jack. The Max Lumi 2 came with the navy blue stylus, while the Note Air 2 Plus came with a black one. These feel good in the hand and I'd pick them over other styluses we've tried any day. They feel good, they're very light, and they're easy to use. The tips are very thin though, and they feel a bit fragile sometimes when you're writing, which explains the rubber covers. Yeah, we'll try not to lose them. What we love most about these styluses is that they don't need to pair with the devices. You just pick it up and start writing, which is interesting considering just how accurate these styluses are. The electronic paper technology on these devices is amazing. For those that have been wanting to stick with paper, an e-ink tablet might just be the device you need to go digital. It looks like paper, feels like paper when you're taking notes. We wouldn't hesitate to recommend these devices for you if you want distraction-free technology to help you focus. The black and white screen makes sure you stick to study or stick to just taking notes or doing productivity related tasks because it's not very entertaining. Also, if you hate the writing on glass feel that you get with the iPad, for example, because it does tend to alter handwriting just a little bit, then you should really consider this because it really has a unique handwriting experience that is the closest to what you get with paper. Just to demonstrate how paper-like these devices are, I wrote something on paper using a pen, which is something I've not done in what feels like a millennium. I then wrote the same thing on the iPad in Apple Notes, and finally wrote on the Note Air 2 Plus in their native note-taking app. Which of these two tablets replicates paper better? Let us know if you'd like us to compare these devices to the iPad or the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis of these devices and the e-ink technology. This was just our team's first impressions of the Onxy Boox Max Lumi 2 and the Note Air 2 Plus e-ink tablets. Is this the kind of technology you need to go digital? Do tell. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let us know what other types of content you'd like us to cover on this channel. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next video.